Dear sisters, MFF PEST members, dear MFF PEST friends and partners, today ends the year 2019, another year of great challenges in the area of peace, security and rule of law in our dear country, Burundi. Another 12 months waiting for help and resolution of the current crisis. Unfortunately, no tangible results have been recorded. However, we greatly appreciate the tenacity, resilience and determination to continue and forge ahead despite the numerous obstacles that have certainly delayed our progress. The continuous human rights violations, the natural disasters to which the country cannot effectively respond, the blind march towards election being organized in a totally unconducive environment, the security situation that continues to deteriorate, the hate speeches which are becoming more and more widespread, the socio-economic conditions today at the lowest level, these are some of the elements which will have characterized the year 2019. As we enter the new year 2020, we choose to engage with faith and assurance that peace, security, rule of law and sustainable development in Burundi are neither a utopia nor an attainable dream, but our collective aspiration and destination. We embark on the 2020 vessel with faith and conviction that the defeat of this force which has taken in hostage the development and transformation of Burundi is our common cause, that we will only achieve the day we will understand that our victory is in unity and that everything is in our hands. On behalf of the MFF PEST, I wish everyone a happy new year 2020. May it be much better than the previous ones. May it bring you peace, joy, hope and comfort. May 2020 be a year of recovery and progress for all Burundians. Happy New Year 2020.